Okay, first click on the robot. Click on here, notification. From here, you can select to turn on the QR code order, in-house delivery or pickup. So you can on and off. If you turn it off, your customer cannot take order using the QR code order, so you must be turned on. If you want to auto accept the order from QR code order, just turn it on. Same goes to your in-house delivery and pickup. On this version, for the online ordering, there's a new update which is auto accept paid only order. Means that it will auto accept your order only the customer has paid your order. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari Seng.
Find hidden post, find Seng. 找 post system 找 Seng.